Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken kofta step by step. Combine ground chicken, grated onion, minced garlic, chopped parsley, cumin, coriander, paprika, salt, and pepper in a bowl and mix until the texture is tacky and cohesive. Chill the mixture briefly to firm up flavors, then form into even logs or balls, keeping hands wet to prevent sticking as you shape them for cooking now. Patience helps here. Press kofta onto skewers or form compact patties, then brush lightly with oil to promote even browning while cooking. Heat a grill or skillet to medium-high, add kofta and cook about 3 to 4 minutes per side until internal temperature reaches 74 degrees C and juices run clear. Rest briefly to redistribute juices, then garnish with chopped herbs and serve with flatbread, yogurt sauce, and lemon wedges for brightness. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy meals. Also, dollar banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The Simple Path to Wealth is worth a look as a fun aside for cooks who love smart living and better habits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if helpful, thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Serve kofta hot with accompaniments and simple sides that complement the savory meat. Try a tangy yogurt sauce mixed with lemon, garlic, and a pinch of cumin, or a fresh salad to balance richness. For meal prep, par cook and refrigerate for up to 2 days or freeze shaped balls for up to 3 months. Thaw overnight in the fridge, then finish on the grill or skillet to reheat and crisp before serving to maintain texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.